And Prime Minister Andrew Holness is calling on the thousands of Jamaicans who have been vaccinated already to become ambassadors for the local vaccine program. He believes each vaccinated Jamaican should now try to persuade their hesitant family members or neighbors. The Prime Minister gave the charge during a tour in St. Thomas on Wednesday. Details in this report.
The Prime Minister's COVID-19 vaccine tour began Wednesday with multiple stops in St. Thomas, including at the vaccination center at the Princess Margaret Hospital. The campaign is to help encourage Jamaicans to get inoculated, and Mr. Holness said he was relieved to have not encountered any hardline conspiracy anti-vaxxer so far on the road tour.
People have road problems, water problems, electricity, and those are issues which prevent people from coming out, physically coming out. But I must be fair in my assessment that I have not met upon anyone that has a hardened resistance to the vaccination. Much of the hesitation could be placed to people being uncertain about the vaccine, people having questions about whether or not the vaccine will have an impact on their health. Some of them have pre-existing conditions and they worry whether or not the vaccines will cause their pre-existing conditions to worsen. So I think information right now is our most potent weapon.
The Prime Minister said he will continue to do his part to promote the vaccine message across the island and called on community leaders and other influential people to do the same. He, however, stressed that ordinary citizens still have the biggest role to play in spreading the word about the benefits of the vaccine.
Those of you who have come and received the vaccines, I'm very pleased that you have, very grateful that you have. You are the heroes. You are the strong fence in the fight, because Corona can't come through your fence so easy again. No. But we also call upon you to be the ambassadors now, to go back into your communities and encourage your family members first of all, then encourage your friends and your community members widely. You have done a great service for yourself and for your country in getting vaccinated. The quicker we get the vaccine, the faster we can return to a normal way.
The Prime Minister promised weeks ago that he would take to the streets to promote the vaccine program in a way similar to when he's seeking the votes of Jamaicans during elections. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.